Every month, your salary arrives. For a brief moment, you feel secure, and then, almost silently, it disappears. You worked for it, you earned it. Yet by the end of the month, very little remains. So the real question is not how much you earn, but where your salary actually goes. Today, we will break this down clearly, step by step. Before your salary reaches your bank account, a portion is already gone. This includes income tax, professional tax, improvident fund or retirement deductions. This money never becomes spendable income. It is removed automatically. What you see in your account is not your full salary. It is your net income, not your earned income. Most people ignore this stage, but it is the first leak. Once the salary arrives, the first destination is fixed expenses. These include rent or home loan EMI, electricity, water, internet, mobile bills, transportation costs, and insurance premiums. These expenses are predictable. They repeat every month. The problem is not that they exist. The problem is that they quietly consume the largest portion of income. For most people, fixed expenses take 40 to 60% of their salary. This money is already decided before the month even begins. After fixed expenses comes lifestyle spending. This includes food delivery, eating out, shopping, subscriptions, and entertainment. Individually, these expenses look small. Together, they are massive. This is where salaries disappear without being noticed. Lifestyle spending expands automatically when income increases. This is called lifestyle inflation. You don't feel poorer, but you don't become wealthier either. For many people, the next destination is debt. This includes credit card payments, personal loan EMIs, vehicle loans, and buy now, pay later services. Debt payments reduce future income, not just current income. Interest ensures that you pay more than what you borrowed. When debt exists, your salary is partially owned by the past. This is one of the strongest reasons people feel financially stuck. Even if you don't spend money, inflation spends it for you. Prices rise every year: food, rent, healthcare, and education. If your income does not grow faster than inflation, your purchasing power decreases. Inflation doesn't show up as a bill, but it slowly reduces what your salary can buy. This is a cost most people never calculate. After everything else, whatever remains is expected to become savings. For most people, savings are inconsistent, investing is delayed, and leftovers are saved, not planned. This is why savings feel difficult. Savings are treated as an option, not a priority. But in reality, savings should be the first destination, not the last. Your salary doesn't disappear randomly. It is divided into taxes and deductions, fixed expenses, lifestyle spending, debt repayments, inflation, and leftover savings. Most financial problems are not caused by low income alone, but by unconscious money flow. When you understand where your salary goes, you regain control. And control, not income, is the foundation of financial stability. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit the bell icon so you never miss our next video on managing your money smarter.